Does the soft sign tell us if a noun is masculine or feminine? Let's test your Russian. Look at these 4 words. Can you guess their gender? If you answered день, он, ночь, она, словарь, он, дверь, она, great job. So, what's the rule? Well, the soft sign is not a vowel, and it doesn't tell us the gender of a noun. Words ending in the soft sign can be masculine or feminine. So, how can you know? That's exactly what you'll learn in this lesson. Since there isn't one simple rule, the best way to learn is to remember the most common words together with their gender. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know the most common masculine and feminine nouns ending in the soft sign, and you'll also learn a useful pattern that will help you remember them. Let's start with masculine nouns. Here are 5 common masculine nouns. Do you know these words in Russian? Let's check. Учитель, дождь, огонь, гость, календарь. Great! Here are 5 more. Корабль, медведь, голубь, пароль, руль. All these nouns are masculine. We use on with them. Now, let's look at feminine nouns. Just like masculine nouns, these words also end with the soft sign. Let's learn the most common ones. Feminine nouns. Жизнь, площадь, кровать, вещь, любовь. Great! Here are 5 more. Мышь, речь, помощь, смерть, печь. Here is a useful pattern. Most nouns ending in ost are feminine. Ость, usually feminine. Новость, скорость, возможность, стоимость, молодость. And here's one more useful trick. All Russian months ending in the soft sign are masculine. Январь, февраль, апрель, июнь, июль. Here are 4 more. Сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, декабрь. Let's practice. Is it masculine or feminine? Словарь, жизнь, июль, помощь, медведь, скорость, корабль. Great job! Remember, some nouns ending in the soft sign are masculine. Others are feminine. Most nouns ending in ost are feminine. All nouns ending in the soft sign are masculine. If you'd like more practice, you can download my free PDF. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.